Have you ever noticed the mysterious M symbol on your palm? What if this mark held the key to unlocking your deepest wisdom and guiding your life's purpose? We'll reveal the secrets behind this rare symbol, believed to signify intuition, leadership, and a connection to past lives. Discover why this symbol is more than just a coincidence and what it could mean for you. The M symbol on the palm is a fascinating mark formed by the intersection of several major lines. These lines include the head line, which represents your thinking and mental clarity, and the heart line, which signifies your emotions and relationships. The lifeline indicates your overall life path and vitality, while the fate line, when present, is associated with your career and life direction. When these lines intersect to form an M, it is believed to signify a person with a profound destiny, possessing qualities of wisdom, intuition, and leadership. The headline and heartline, when they cross paths, suggest a balance between your mind and emotions. This balance helps you make decisions that are both smart and compassionate. The lifeline's intersection with these lines adds depth, showing a life full of important experiences that shape who you are. The fate line, which often runs from the base of the palm towards the middle finger, highlights your career path and life's purpose. Together, these lines forming an M are not by chance but represent a person with a unique and meaningful life journey. Additionally, the rarity and importance of the M mark on the palm highlight its mystical appeal and the special qualities linked to those who have it. The M mark on the palm is quite rare, making it special. It's not something you see on everyone's hands, so people who have it are unique. This rarity makes the mark more important, often seen as a sign of an old soul with many past lives. Having this mark suggests you have a special path or purpose in life. The rarity only increases when individuals have the M mark on not just one of their hands, but both, increasing the impact the individual will have on the world around them. The rarity of the M mark also suggests that these individuals are chosen to learn and teach important life lessons. They might feel a strong sense of purpose and be drawn to helping others. This mark is a reminder that they have special gifts and a big role to play in their lives and the lives of those around them. Furthermore, the connection between the M mark and past lives suggests a deep spiritual bond and a wealth of wisdom gathered across many lifetimes. As Dolores Cannon, a well-known hypnotherapist and past life expert, once said, "We are infinite beings, and the soul is like a vast library of experiences." The M mark on your palm supports this idea, suggesting that your soul has lived through many lifetimes, collecting wisdom and experiences. This mark shows that your soul's journey is like a detailed library, with each life adding a new chapter of knowledge and insights. People with the M mark often feel moments of déjà vu and familiarity, as if they've been to certain places or met certain people before. These feelings are believed to be echoes from past lives, where your soul remembers past experiences. This strong connection to previous lives brings natural wisdom, helping you understand the world better and guiding you through your current life with purpose and clarity. The M mark is a reminder of your soul's long journey. It encourages you to explore your past lives and see how those experiences affect your present life. By understanding these connections, you can gain deeper insights into your spiritual path and purpose. This helps you use the wisdom from your past to confidently navigate your current life, make better decisions, and understand your life's mission more clearly. Moreover, the M mark's connection to intuition and psychic sensitivity suggests a deep link to understanding oneself and the world more deeply. People with the M mark often have a strong ability to sense things that others might miss. You might find that your gut feelings are usually right, leading you to trust your instincts more. This special intuition acts like a built-in radar, helping you see through life's challenges and opportunities with a sharp sense of awareness. This means you can notice small details and feelings that others might not, giving you a unique way of understanding the world. Your instincts linked to the M mark act as a compass, guiding you to make choices that fit your true self and higher purpose. Trusting these feelings can bring clarity and confidence to your decisions, helping you understand your life's direction better. When you listen to your inner voice, you're more likely to make choices that feel right and true to who you are. This helps you avoid problems and stay focused on what matters most to you. Developing these psychic abilities can lead to a deeper connection with yourself and the hidden parts of life, helping you grow personally and find more happiness. By paying attention to your intuition and working on your psychic sensitivity, you can learn more about yourself and the world around you. This journey can make you more aware, improve your relationships, and bring a sense of peace and satisfaction as you live your life with a clearer sense of purpose and understanding. Furthermore, the M mark's connection to natural leadership and the path to success highlights its role in guiding individuals to positively impact others through wisdom and intuitive insight. The M mark on your palm shows you have strong intuition and wisdom, and it also suggests you're a natural leader with a knack for success. People with this mark often find themselves leading others, using their vision and insight to inspire. You're good at seeing the big picture and making decisions that benefit everyone, making you a trusted leader. Success, when you have the M mark, isn't just about personal achievements, it's about making a positive difference in the world. Your leadership style is about being responsible, honest, and doing what's right. Embracing your role as a leader means using your wisdom and intuition to guide others, creating a place where everyone can thrive. You can motivate people to work together toward common goals, making your community better. The journey of your soul, marked by the M on your palm, shows your wisdom and intuition can lead to success. By using what you've learned from past lives and your natural abilities, you can achieve your goals. Embracing your unique qualities can leave a lasting impact and help others. Your leadership with wisdom and integrity can inspire positive changes, making the world a better place for everyone. The M symbol on your palm isn't just a random shape, it's formed where important lines on your palm intersect, like the head, heart, life, and fate lines. This M suggests you might have special qualities like wisdom, intuition, and leadership. People with this mark are often seen as wise beyond their years, drawing on experiences from many lifetimes to understand life deeply. Its rarity makes it even more special, hinting at a strong connection to past lives and a journey towards spiritual growth and leadership. Have you ever wondered if your palm holds clues about your life's path? Do you resonate with the wisdom, intuition, and leadership linked to this unique mark? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We are thankful to have you be part of our growing community. Whether you have the M mark or not, please know that you are connected to the universe and the world around you in more ways than you know. We hope you have a beautiful day. Until next time.